Greeting to all the professors. My name is Lalit Kumar Tramanayat. Today, on the behalf of my group, I'll be talking about our final year project, that is eradication of child labor. What is eradication of child labor? So, child labor refers to the employment of children in any work that deprives children of their childhood, interferes with their ability to attend regular schools, and that is mentally, physically, and socially or morally dangerous and harmful. And now, why it is needed to prevent and stop? Because all over the world, children are being exploited through child labor, which is mentally and physically dangerous work with the schooling and the long-term development. So the worst form includes slavery, trafficking, and sexual exploitation and hazardous works that put children at risk of death and injuries. Now, now I'll talk about what are the solutions that we have proposed in our portal. As you know, through prohibited and having pencil portal, child labor is still rampant in the country in various sectors. An integrated approach across various stakeholders, including central ministries and state government, is required through which child labor can be prevented and also the rescue children can be effectively monitored and tracked in the country. If state government and central government work together in the direction of betterment of children, then that will be very efficient approach to prevent it. So, we are planning to provide a web portal in such a way that everything works automatically, which will definitely be in the favor of childrens. As per our suggested solution, these are the modules on which we are working. Before discuss the list of modules, first I would like to discuss some features that we have provided in our portal that are easy to lodge complaint. Just by clicking or submitting photo of victim child, you can easily register your complaint on the portal. And synchronization between government and non-government organization which is working in the direction of betterment of children. And the third one is rescue child will be monitored using GPS tracking. And the fourth one is automated social awareness. Using social awareness we can also prevent it. And surveillance of rescue child using tracking device and status will be sent to child helpline number. Provides two level security to lodges data by using encryptions and encoding. Encryption using AES algorithm and encoding in the form of QR. Now I'll be talking about the modules that we have used in our portal. Basically, with the help of loss complaint module, anyone can easily register the complaint just providing some informations like enter the name of child, enter the image of child if it is has, and enter the user mobile number and enter the email ID, and if possible providing some description of child. With the help of these information, anyone can register their complaint on our portal. Now I move to the next slide. The next module is complaint track. So basically it is used to track the complaint using complaint ID. It is very simple process. Anyone can track the complaint just having some parameter like user should have access website and user should have a complaint number, yeah, complaint ID. Now I move to the next slide. The third module is organization registration. So the organization registration is can easily be done with the help of some information. Like if any information is invalid, then it will goes back to refill, and or any organization can register their organization on our portal. Just providing some information like the process of registration is very simple. Enter organization name, create password, enter address of organization, enter state and district of the organization, and enter exemption number. Then it will verify the exemption number. If it is invalid, then the data will go. If it is invalid, the data will not go into the database. Otherwise, the information will store in the database. Now I move to the next module, that is organization adoption. So organization can adopt any number of child by providing some information like enter organization name, number of child want to adopt, enter email ID, enter state, enter district, and enter exemption number. Then it will also verify. If it is invalid, then it will not able to adopt any number of child, and if it is valid and verify, then it can adopt any number of child. This is very simple process, and it can be done very easily. And the next module is monitoring using hardware concept. So device store the complainant id and coordinates of ngos which has adopt the child. Device fetches the current location of child. If child is outside the 1 kilometer range, then the device will send the child location and complainant ID to the child helpline number by SMS, by email. This is also a very simple process, and it can be easily done. The next module is a district nodal officer panel. So DNO will check all the submitted complaint. If complaint has done within 48 hours, then DNO generate a FAR reports and send it to a state government. Otherwise, the alert will goes to the state government. If state government doesn't respond within 48 hours, then again alert goes to the central government. And central ministry will take appropriate actions against the state government and DNOs. So now I move to the next slide. The next module is state government. So state government will view all the complaints and will look all submitted reports, and then it will take an appropriate actions. State government works over the head of DNOs. If didn't respond on any complaint, then state government will respond and will take appropriate actions against the DNO. Now I come to the next slide. The next module is central government. Central government will also work as a state government. It works on the head of state government. If any complaint hasn't response within 48 hours, then central government will also take an appropriate action up on the state government and the DNOs. Now I move to the next slide. The next module is social awareness. So social awareness can increase with the help of social media and auto fetch those complaints for which DNO has already taken action. After a limited period of time, these complaints approach on the social media site. So we can increase awareness with the help of social site. Now I move to the next slide. The next module is donation. So amount which you want to do donate, you just need to enter your name, email ID and phone number, and select your card type, credit or debit, and you can donate very easily. It is very simple process. Anyone can anyone can donate in our portal in the for the betterment of child. And now I move to the next slide. The next module is future and future scope. So there are 2 to 3 features that we have provided, and the one is emergency button will be added to the device for tracking the child, and the second is for more than 45 GB of data, big data technology will be used. Now at the end, I have talked about all the modules. Thank you.